So that's the generator. And that 2-wire auto start goes in here. And I got this generator with a smart gen panel, and it's got the auto start. These Able guys is where I got the generator. This 7 kVA generator was about $2,900. Pretty good bargain for a 7 kVA generator. Air cooled. So you get that, but we went and did our own little thing to get the air out of this room. 22 litre tank. And that's the, I'll put a link up for the whole details on this. So pretty much that's where that goes. Anyway, you guys can look at the photos online for that.